thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is super exciting. It's another wig from Hera Remy. If you didn't check out my last review from them, definitely click back and check it out. I'll either link it down below or up here somewhere so you don't miss out. If you're interested in this unit, I'll also leave a link so you can check out this hair if you're interested, but make sure you stay tuned for this video. So this unit is from Hera Remy. Hera Remy has some really unique packaging. I think it's really pretty and simple, although it doesn't show you the wig on the outside, which is a little bit annoying because if you store your wigs in your box, then you just want to be able to look on the outside of the wig to know what it looks like. It's sort of annoying to have to go into the box to figure out which Hera Remy wig it is, because even on the outside it doesn't tell you exactly which wig it is. It would be up to you to write it down on the outside. So let's open it up. So we do have, this wig is called Andrea, and I do have her in B.PURPLE, which I think means black purple, I'm guessing. So this is what the stock card looks like, and it has some general hair care on the back. This is one of their synthetic wigs. They do offer human hair wigs as well, but this one is synthetic. This one does have your soft lace. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. There is some lace to cut in the back and lace to cut in the front, and there are 2 adjustable straps. This purple color is really gorgeous, so I'm super excited about this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take this unit off and go ahead and pop this one on. Andrea, and this color is B.PURPLE. I absolutely love the color on this unit. The color is really bomb. I think it's so beautiful and so wearable. Sometimes you get purple and it's just like, ooh girl, it's too bright, it's the wrong shade of purple, it's the wrong tint, the roots aren't right. But this purple is just perfect. I absolutely love it. I love the fact that this unit comes with baby hairs already on it. You don't have to do anything, and the baby hairs are so soft and wispy you don't even have to gel them down. You literally can just use a brush. This brush has both soft side and hard side, and I used both. And then I just used a wide tooth comb to just tease out the roots. You don't want to mess around with the ends too much, but the roots you do want to fluff out just a little bit to give your unit a little more body and to make it look a little more natural. This is the type of wig that literally just gets better with time. Even if it gets a little tangled, it's okay. It just makes it look more natural. I love this unit. I would definitely suggest it. So make sure you head over to HeraRemy.com right now to check her out. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos.